potatoes they from the garden and freezing them. Big ones in here.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, probably this little potato had 100.
Yep. There's a bunch of potatoes. It's a big potato, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't even. Whoa.
That's almost bigger than the one we planted to grow them.
Yeah.
You move the bucket over here so we can put some in there.
Oh, that potato's bigger than we want.
And grab it.
Mom.
Yep. Uh-oh.
Don't like do it when I dropped it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it looks like it grew
Grew.
when I dropped it.
Yep.
Why it was like really tiny. Oh, I see a big potato. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
Well, we only have a big potato. Oh, that was a giant one.
Yeah.
Well, we only have
Not the biggest one we found so far, but pretty big.
the little potatoes are small. I'm gonna do it this time.
Okay.
Vines. Oh.
Go in. All right, Bridge, tell them what we're getting ready to do.
Wait on the potatoes we picked.
Get the scale out. I'm gonna get a bowl.
One potato, not a big one.
Yep, one potato at a time. All right, we've got 8 pounds and this one's full, so we're gonna switch it out for this pan.
This one.
All right, we've got 4 pounds and 11 ounces here, so that means we've got, 13 pounds of potatoes here.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.